I was blind, but now I see. In the year of 1992, my husband and I were going to Chapel Hill quite a bit for the holidays. One night we were coming home and it was Christmas Eve. And I told my husband, I said, if a rat could get his head between you and that car, because you're awfully close, you need to go get your eyes checked. So that Monday, I made sure we had some appointments. So that Tuesday, we went to the doctor, and the lady decided to do both of us at the same time. While she was checking him out, I want y'all to know, yeah, brother man came out with some bifocals, because he really needed some glasses. But the bad thing was when she got me in there and she decided to do the left eye, it was all right, I could see. But when she got over on the right side, I said, what? She said, can you see anything? I said, if you turn the light on,